Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Jovial Jyoti and this is me, Jyoti Sharma.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry.
And welcome back to another weekend vlog. So today I have off, but tomorrow I have a working weekend, but that's okay. Like when you enjoy working something, weekend hardly matters. So yeah, and let's get starting because today is gonna be a long weekend chutti because I have really a lot of work to do. I have some new stuff to do that I have never done it, and some household chores, and yeah. So let's get directly to the video. It's almost 8:40 now and I'm having my morning tea. Not morning tea, sorry. Nimu pani. And now I have tried cutting carbs, so I don't take honey in this also. So it's just nimbu, like full big half lemon and hot water. And now I'm gonna give my hair some massage. So for that, what I'm gonna do is, if you can see here, I have like one full lemon and one half lemon. I'm gonna massage it in my scalp because that बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जो बोलते हैं कि नींबू नहीं लगाना चाहिए and stuff. But I don't know why. I feel that lemon is really good for your hair because ऐसे dandruff नहीं होता. Your hair eventually gets so smooth and so silky because I have a really like nice silky hair, so it helps to maintain the luster and stuff. So I think नींबू लगाना बाल में important है, which I do. Done with that, but don't worry about it. Like अगर ऐसा लगा हुआ है तो जब आप शैम्पू करोगे और अच्छे से स्कैल्प मसाज करोगे ना, it will come out. That's not a big issue. थोड़ा होता है, but when you will be like detangling your hair and all, it will come out. But trust me, आप ट्राई कर देना. पता नहीं जो लोग कर रहे हैं उनके लिए अच्छे, जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, नींबू लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा इचिंग होता है स्कैल्प में बिकॉज इफ यू हैव डैंड्रफ एंड स्टफ इट विल इच अ बिट, बट उसके बाद का जो रिजल्ट होता है, यू विल हैव अ नाइस स्मूथ हेयर एंड ऑल. दैट्स अमेजिंग. एंड वन मोर थिंग, लाइक राइट नाउ आई गॉट अ मॉर्निंग पार्सल फ्रॉम Amazon. This is something really special that I wanted to buy for really long. So let me open you and tell you that what it is. Okay, so this is basically Amazon's Fire Stick. Okay, अभी Amazon पे sale चल रहा था, so we got it from there. And the thing is like पापा इतना watch नहीं करते Netflix, Amazon and all that. I have like one day off. I know I have a laptop, I can use in that and all that stuff. But I thought it's high time that I should get it because बहुत ऐसे सीरियल्स like जो चीज़ें आती है ना अभी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे, that is like ये मिल जाएगा करके. So I'm like, let's go and let's get this for him. So let me show you what are the things inside that. I'll tell you the price. I think it's a 2,500 or something, like 2.5K, and it was on sale. So what happened is कि बेसिकली ये फायर स्टिक आपके टीवी को स्मार्ट टीवी में कन्वर्ट कर देता है एंड यू कैन यूज लाइक इट हैज ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ऐप दैट यू कैन यूज, लाइक प्राइम, नेटफ्लिक्स, जियो सिनेमा, यूट्यूब, सोनी लिव, एवरीथिंग, डिस्कवरी प्लस एंड ऑल दैट. सो बेसिकली द फायर स्टिक इज टू कन्वर्ट योर नॉर्मल टीवी इनटू स्मार्ट टीवी. इफ यू ओपन इट, इट विल कम विद दिस बॉक्स and in this we have a remote, we have a fire stick drive, you can say, and we have one extension something, second. Yeah, it has something like this. Basically, इसमें लगा के we have to put it on TV. Okay, so this is it, and when I like put it in my TV and when I use, I'll show you that also. So if you're looking for something that can convert your normal TV into smart TV, Fire Stick is the best thing that you can get. So you should definitely buy it. And this is the like extra wire that we get. And yeah, this is the Fire Stick. The best thing about this remote is it already comes with, you know, like Netflix, Prime, different apps and Amazon Music and all that. This is the third generation. I think second generation does not have these features, I guess. And second generation has like extra remote buttons here, but it has only one button here. So that is been like updated from second generation to third generation in this. So yeah, that's it for this part. It was about to rain only, तो मैंने सोचा पहले जो काम है वो काम कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर बारिश होती तो मैं अपना काम भी नहीं कर पाती. So I have to go to post office to get some information, and because I have some parcels to do and stuff, so I have to ask the how much charges, distance and stuff they're gonna charge, and I have to get some savings done. So we have some, like my dad said that yeah, we have over there. So I thought let's just go, let's just ask them what is the thing, what's not, and we'll figure out. So where my dad is posted, no, like the place that is here, okay. So यहाँ पे it's like all railway quarters and greeneries and everything. तो post office भी यहाँ पे एकदम पास में है. So I thought let's just walk and let's just see, and I can show you, like this is the whole greenery thing, and this is the only thing that I love about here is this is whole green, and you can just walk anytime. And yeah, this is what, you know, you miss in the big cities, all these stuff, greeneries, fresh air and everything. I came back and जो पता लगाना था वो पता लग गया. So courier के लिए they are charging like really less. I thought they'll be charging like 200-400, but no, not that much. थोड़ा सही है. And they were like, अगर 1 kg plus होगा, then you might get charged like extra. I'm like, 1 kg will be too much. And yeah, the FD and saving stuff, I asked what will be the rate of interest and everything. So yeah, and I think your girl is ready to get her, you know, first FD, or you can say to get my first ever savings done. So kind of super excited for that. And now the real struggle started. We tried connecting the Fire Stick from the TV, and it felt like it'll take the whole army to do that. Like 3 or 4, I guess, and I'm done with everything. So now I am gonna shoot some content, like I'm gonna draw some graphic eyeliners and makeup thing on my face, and because I have to shoot some content for Instagram. And आज मेरे YouTube पे किसी नए आदमी से मैं आपको मिलवाने वाली हूँ, you know what we say, a YouTube debut. That will be my Nani. So she is the Nani, कुछ बोल बे. कुछ हो. Basically she's like उनको ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी ऐसे मैं कुछ काम कर रही हो या तो वैसे कुछ बोलेंगे, शी विल बी जस्ट lying next to me and she'll be here quietly. And अभी जैसे like I took out all my makeup stuff and she's like अपने कर रहे हो, मतलब हमारे लैंग्वेज में कि तुम खुद करोगी सर? हम बोले हाँ. अच्छा. And she's just lying here and she'll see me doing it. Okay, this is the graphic eyeliner look that I created. And let's see कि नानी को ये पसंद आता है कि नहीं. तोरा कैसा लगी थी नानी लगाई लुक है ता?
सब ठीक लगे था कि ई कहला वीडियो पार रहे ऊपर का.
अच्छा, जे एगो एक्स्ट्रा लाइन है.
हां एगो एनो इहो पटिया के केगो में
देख
ना दुनो में.
अच्छा तो
बाउआ हो तो ठीक.
हाँ
ऊपरे वाला
ऊपरे वाला ना पड़े के चाहे. And like I told you, this is a working weekend and I came here on the terrace that I'll do some cardio, but I guess it started raining and it's too much of windy over here. Let's see, but I'm thinking of doing a bit of running and like some skipping, and yeah, at least bit of cardio is really important to, for the awakening of the body, because I thought let's skip the yoga part today because I'm gonna do just the meditation today and I'm focusing more on cardio. So let's go. All set for the work, and oh my god, it's such a mixed feeling. Like I'm having such a bad stomach cramps right now, and I don't know what to say. So literally I was not in that zone where I could take shower and all. I just washed my face, I just combed my hair and did all the skincare, and I'm like, let's just sit. When I'll feel like I can't sit, I'll take a break and then I'll take a shower to just loosen up it, because right now after the workout and everything I just couldn't take it. Like the stomach ache and everything was so bad. Okay, and just like that I was working and suddenly a message popped up on my phone where it showed that we have got the salary credit, and that made me feel so good. I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, this is a very different feeling. I mean, yeah, I can finally say that I got my first salary, and I don't know, I'm so overwhelmed right now, because suddenly I was working and I was just scrolling through my phone, and suddenly I was like, what? And oh my god, I am so happy. But about that salary thing, I'm gonna make a very different video, out of everything, that what I did, how I did, and I thought of it. I don't know, let's see how it goes. But yeah, I mean, just work hard, guys, and get that money that's made for you, that has your name on it, that this money belongs to you. Go get it. And yeah, that's it for this weekend vlog. It was a weekend full of mixed emotions and everything. I mean, I really don't know what to say. Like, it was quite a bumpy ride, because there were things that happened that I didn't talk about on camera, but it's okay, right? and the best thing was that I got the salary. So yeah, and trust me, I have already spent it. Like, I got a lot of stuff, because not for myself only, for everyone, because I started late, so obviously I didn't got the full salary, because we got a small amount of the salary, because they said that we have started working late and they have the cycle and all that stuff. So yeah, it's okay. But the first money, like, I have spent so much of money from savings or my parents' money, or like nana nani ke paise diye hue. But your own money is your own money. That has a very different vibe. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you loved Nani's debut. I'm definitely gonna make more content with her until she's here with us here. एंड या मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग, अगले वीडियो में कुछ नई चीजों के साथ. टिल देन, स्टे एट होम, स्टे सेफ. जरूरत ना हो तो बाहर मत जाओ, एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. अपने मेंटल हेल्थ का, अपने आप का, अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखो, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज, खुश रहो. एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना अगर नहीं किया है तो, लाइक कर देना वीडियो पसंद आए तो, एंड अगर आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा प्यार हो तो शेयर भी कर देना. इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर मी. Okay, bye.